everyone! Today I'm excited to dive into the fascinating world of monkeys, those playful and intelligent creatures that capture our hearts and imaginations. Let's explore their diverse diets, habitats, and the secrets to their lifespans. Ready? Let's jump right in. Monkeys, those agile and lively primates, are split into two main groups: New World monkeys from Central and South America and Old World monkeys from Africa and Asia. Each group thrives in a variety of environments. For instance, while New World species like capuchins and howler monkeys roam tropical rainforests and mountainous regions, Old World monkeys like baboons and macaques might be spotted in everything from African savannas to the dense forests of Asia. But what really makes these creatures fascinating is their complex social lives. Living in groups that can swell up to 100 individuals, their social structures are intricate, with clear hierarchies often established through power displays or even conflicts. Yet, it's not all about dominance. Grooming plays a crucial role, fostering bonds and smoothing over the social ranks within the group. Now, let's talk about what they eat. Monkeys are generally omnivorous. This means their diet includes both plant and animal matter. From munching on fruits, leaves, and flowers to hunting for insects, small reptiles, or birds, their menu is impressively varied. Some, like the clever capuchin monkeys, even use tools to crack nuts or snatch up small prey. Their feeding habits are equally intriguing. Monkeys are adept foragers, often using their dexterous hands and sometimes tools to gather and process food. Their diet can change with the seasons, demanding adaptability and resourcefulness to survive. But how long do these intriguing animals live? Well, it varies. New World monkeys usually have shorter lifespans. Capuchins, for example, live about 25 years in the wild. In contrast, Old World monkeys like baboons can live up to 30 years, sometimes even longer in captivity. Factors like predation, disease, and habitat quality dramatically influence their lifespans. For a closer look, consider the howler monkeys of Central and South America, renowned for their loud calls. Primarily leaf eaters, they live up to 20 years. Meanwhile, macaques, found from Asia to northern Africa, boast a diverse diet and can live 30 years in the wild. In conclusion, monkeys are not just another animal in the tree, they are a vibrant testament to nature's complexity, with varied diets and sophisticated social structures that vary widely across species and regions. Their ability to adapt is as varied as the landscapes they inhabit, from lush rainforests to sprawling savannas. And there you have it, a peek into the secret lives of monkeys. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride into the primate world. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.